Condensed milk buttercream, a beloved frosting across the globe, boasts a history as rich and decadent as its flavor. While its exact origins remain shrouded in mystery, culinary historians believe this versatile frosting emerged in the mid-19th century shortly after the invention of condensed milk. Easier to make and more stable than traditional buttercreams, it quickly gained popularity, becoming a staple in home kitchens and bakeries alike. From simple birthday cakes to elaborate wedding confections, condensed milk buttercream has graced countless celebrations over the decades. Its enduring appeal lies not only in its delicious simplicity, but also in its remarkable versatility, lending itself to a myriad of flavors and variations. Today we'll explore 3 classic and universally adored flavors: chocolate, coffee, and caramel. Unlike traditional American buttercream, which relies heavily on powdered sugar, condensed milk buttercream gets its luscious texture and sweetness primarily from, you guessed it, condensed milk. This magical ingredient, created by removing water from milk and adding sugar, delivers a concentrated sweetness and creamy consistency that forms the backbone of this frosting. When whipped with butter, condensed milk transforms into a luxuriously smooth and spreadable frosting with a delightful richness that complements a variety of cakes and cupcakes. Its inherent stability also makes it an excellent choice for warmer climates, as it holds its shape beautifully, even in higher temperatures. Who can resist the allure of chocolate? This classic flavor combination is a guaranteed crowd pleaser, and our chocolate condensed milk buttercream is no exception. The key to achieving a deep, intense chocolate flavor lies in using high-quality cocoa powder. Look for Dutch processed cocoa powder, which has been treated with alkali to neutralize its acidity, resulting in a smoother, more mellow chocolate flavor. To create this decadent frosting, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, half a cup of Dutch processed cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Begin by beating the softened butter in a large bowl until light and fluffy. Gradually add the condensed milk, beating until well combined. Sift in the cocoa powder and salt, then mix on low speed until incorporated. Stir in the vanilla extract, then increase the speed and beat until the frosting is smooth and creamy. For a sophisticated twist on the classic condensed milk buttercream, look no further than our invigorating coffee flavor. The key to unlocking the full potential of this flavor profile lies in using freshly brewed, strong coffee. Avoid instant coffee, as it often lacks the depth and complexity of flavor found in freshly brewed coffee. To make this aromatic delight, gather the following: 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a 1/4 cup of freshly brewed strong coffee, cooled to room temperature, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Begin by beating the softened butter in a large bowl until light and fluffy. Gradually pour in the condensed milk, beating until well combined. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the cooled coffee, vanilla extract, and salt. Slowly drizzle the coffee mixture into the butter mixture, beating continuously until the frosting is smooth and homogeneous. Caramel, with its rich, buttery flavor and captivating aroma, takes center stage in this indulgent variation. This luscious caramel buttercream is perfect for cakes, cupcakes, or even as a filling for macarons. The key to achieving that signature deep caramel flavor lies in patiently cooking the sugar until it transforms into a beautiful amber hue. This process requires a bit of patience but is well worth the effort. Don't be tempted to rush the process, as burning the sugar will result in a bitter aftertaste. It's crucial to keep a close eye on the sugar as it cooks. To create this irresistible treat, you'll need 1 cup or 2 sticks of unsalted butter softened. Make sure the butter is at room temperature for easy mixing. 1 can, 14 ounces, of sweetened condensed milk. This adds a rich, creamy texture to the buttercream. Half a cup of granulated sugar. This will be used to make the caramel. A 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This will help to create a smooth and creamy caramel. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This enhances the flavor of the caramel. And a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. First, prepare the caramel. The salt will balance the sweetness and enhance the overall flavor. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, heat the sugar over medium heat, swirling the pan occasionally until the sugar melts and turns a rich amber color. This step is crucial for developing the deep caramel flavor. Remove from heat and carefully whisk in the heavy cream. Be cautious as the mixture will bubble up vigorously. Return the pan to low heat and stir until the caramel is smooth. This ensures that the caramel is well incorporated and free of lumps. Set aside to cool completely. It's important that the caramel is at room temperature before adding it to the butter mixture. Once the caramel has cooled, beat the softened butter in a large bowl until light and fluffy. This will create a smooth base for the buttercream. Gradually add the condensed milk, beating until well combined. This step ensures a creamy and consistent texture. Pour in the cooled caramel, vanilla extract, and salt. These ingredients will bring the buttercream to life with their rich flavors. Beat on high speed until the frosting is light, fluffy, and homogeneous in color. Your luscious caramel buttercream is now ready to be enjoyed. Mastering the craft essential tips for perfect buttercream. Achieving that picture-perfect condensed milk buttercream with its smooth texture and glossy sheen is easier than you might think. Here are a few essential tips to elevate your frosting game. Softened butter is key. Ensure your butter is properly softened to room temperature. This allows for optimal aeration, resulting in a lighter, fluffier buttercream. Gradual incorporation. Always add the condensed milk and flavorings gradually, beating well after each addition. This ensures a homogeneous mixture and prevents the frosting from separating. Don't overbeat. While beating is crucial for incorporating air and achieving a smooth texture, overbeating can lead to a dense, greasy frosting. Stop beating once the frosting is light, fluffy, and holds its shape. Taste and adjust. Flavor preferences vary, so always taste your frosting before using it. Feel free to adjust the amount of cocoa powder, coffee, caramel, or extracts to suit your taste. A world of flavor, exciting variations to tantalize your taste buds. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will elevate your baking to new heights. The beauty of condensed milk buttercream lies in its remarkable versatility. It serves as a perfect canvas for a myriad of flavors, allowing you to customize it to your heart's content. Once you've mastered the basic recipe, the flavor possibilities are endless. For chocolate lovers, the options are particularly delightful. Mocha Magic. Combine the rich flavors of chocolate and coffee by incorporating 2 tablespoons of the cooled coffee mixture from the coffee buttercream recipe into the chocolate buttercream. This creates a harmonious blend that coffee and chocolate enthusiasts will adore. Mint Chocolate Chip. Add a refreshing twist by incorporating half a teaspoon peppermint extract and a 1/4 cup chopped chocolate chips into the chocolate buttercream. The result is a cool, minty delight with a satisfying crunch. Peanut Butter Cup. Create a nostalgic treat by swirling a 1/4 cup smooth peanut butter into the chocolate buttercream. This combination brings back childhood memories with every bite. For coffee enthusiasts, Hazelnut Mocha. Enhance the coffee flavor with the addition of 1 teaspoon hazelnut extract. This adds a nutty depth that complements the coffee perfectly. Salted Caramel Macchiato. Swirl in 2 tablespoons of the cooled caramel from the caramel buttercream recipe and a pinch of sea salt for a sweet and salty delight. This combination is sure to satisfy your sweet and savory cravings. Cinnamon Spice. Add a warm, comforting note by incorporating a 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon into the coffee buttercream. This creates a cozy, spiced flavor that's perfect for autumn. Brown Butter Pecan. Toast half a cup pecans until fragrant, then chop coarsely. The toasting process brings out the rich, nutty flavor of the pecans. Brown the butter before using it in the caramel buttercream and fold in the toasted pecans for a nutty crunch. This adds a layer of complexity and richness to the buttercream. Coconut Caramel. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise by adding half a teaspoon coconut extract and a 1/4 cup toasted shredded coconut to the caramel buttercream. The tropical flavors will make you feel like you're on a beach vacation. Banana Foster. Create a decadent dessert-inspired frosting by swirling in 2 tablespoons of rum extract and a 1/4 cup diced ripe bananas. This luxurious combination is perfect for special occasions and will impress your guests. Troubleshooting tips. Conquering common buttercream dilemmas. Even seasoned bakers encounter the occasional hiccup when working with buttercream. Here are some common condensed milk buttercream troubleshooting tips to help you achieve the perfect frosting every time. Buttercream is too thick. If your buttercream is excessively thick, gradually beat in 1 tablespoon of milk at a time until the desired consistency is reached. This will help to loosen the mixture without compromising its texture. Buttercream is too thin. If your buttercream is too thin, refrigerate it for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the butter to firm up. This will make it easier to work with and help it hold its shape. Once chilled, beat again until it reaches the desired consistency. This step ensures that the buttercream is smooth and ready for decorating. Buttercream is grainy. This usually occurs when the butter is not properly softened or if the sugar in the caramel is not fully dissolved. Graininess can ruin the texture of your frosting. Ensure your butter is at room temperature and the caramel is smooth before incorporating it into the frosting. This will help achieve a silky, smooth buttercream. Buttercream is separated. This can happen if the butter is too cold or if the frosting is overbeaten. Separation can make the frosting look unappealing. To fix separated buttercream, try gently warming the bowl over a pot of simmering water while whisking continuously. This helps to bring the ingredients back together. Alternatively, allow the frosting to sit at room temperature for 30 minutes, then beat again until smooth. This method can also help to re-emulsify the buttercream. Conclusion: your buttercream adventure awaits. Condensed milk buttercream, with its rich history and endless flavor possibilities, is a testament to the magic that happens when simple ingredients combine. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a curious novice, these recipes and tips will empower you to create frosting masterpieces that are as impressive as they are delicious. So gather your ingredients, put on your apron, and embark on a flavor adventure. Your taste buds will thank you.